Yes, you can reinforce doors without turning your entry into a fortress by using low-profile hardware and design-forward solutions that match your home's aesthetic. Start by assessing the door and frame material because solid wood or metal doors paired with a reinforced jamb provide the best baseline for security and style. Use a long strike plate with at least 3.5-inch screws that reach the wall stud to transfer force away from the frame. Choose a strike plate finish that matches your existing knobs or handles so it reads as intentional design rather than an add-on. Consider reinforced hinge screws that are as long as 3 inches and sit flush within the hinge barrel, or swap standard hinges for security hinges that keep the hardware visible but refined. Install a reinforced door edge plate that is slim and finished to match the door edge. These plates sit on the hinge side or lock side and are thin yet strong so they do not protrude. For deadbolts, pick a compact, high-quality model with a low-profile faceplate and use a decorative escutcheon or rosette that conceals reinforcement while reflecting your style. If you want extra reinforcement without visible metal, use an internal jamb reinforcement kit that mounts inside the frame cavity and requires only minimal, color-matched trim adjustments. Common mistakes include using short screws in the strike plate, which leaves the frame vulnerable. Fix this by removing the plate and replacing fasteners with screws long enough to reach the structural stud. A second issue is selecting mismatched finishes that make reinforcement look tacked on. Avoid that by sampling finishes in natural light and ordering matching sets or having hardware refinished to the same sheen and tone. A third concern is assuming that decorative elements reduce strength. Instead, choose decorative grills or kick plates that are structural by design, so they serve both form and function without compromising security. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors focused on projects like subtle door reinforcement and curb appeal upgrades, and we help contractors find work from neighbors looking for that exact blend of design and security. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and professionals exchange tips, compare finishes, and discuss installers and installation approaches.